and gentlemen, on behalf of the United States Air Force 437 Airline Wing and Charleston Air Force Base, it's my pleasure this afternoon to describe for you today's plane demonstration by America's premier airlifter, the Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. The pilots for today's demonstration are Lieutenant Colonel J.D. Ferris, Captain Matt Gentry, and Captain Brad Head. The Loadmasters are Master Sergeant Joel Clausen and Master Sergeant Will Green. This crew has a combined total of over 19,500 flight hours in various aircraft, including the C-17 Globemaster, the C-141 Starlifter, the T-37 II, the T-6 Texan, and the T-1 Jayhawk. C-17 was designed with maintenance personnel in mind, so it takes less time and people to keep it flying. It can raise one set of its landing gears for tire changes using its onboard struts and the remaining landing gear. This eliminates the need for any additional equipment during tire changes. In addition, the major systems are located at eye level and have easy open panels, making them very easy to work on. The multiple backup systems also increase overall aircraft reliability rates. The C-17's first pass today will be a high-speed pass. After completing a teardrop maneuver to align with the runway, the crew will accelerate to 300 knots, demonstrating the rapid strategic capability of the aircraft. The C-17 design includes a modern computerized glass cockpit, heads-up displays at both pilot stations, and advanced cargo handling systems, allowing it to operate with a crew half the size of current aircraft. Only 3 crew members are required to fly a C-17. The aircraft's advanced design allows it to accomplish its entire mission with this minimum crew. Now notice. Notice how quiet the C-17 was while passing show center. This gives the Globemaster a tactical advantage while flying low over hostile enemy territory. The C-17 provides a direct delivery capability that combines the intercontinental cargo carrying capabilities of large aircraft such as the C-5 Galaxy with the short runway capability of the much smaller C-130 Hercules. It can routinely land on runways of only 3,500 feet. The C-17 is powered by 4 Pratt & Whitney F-117 engines. These are the same engines used by the Boeing 757. Each engine delivers over 40,000 pounds of thrust. This amount of thrust allows the Globemaster III to carry over 170,000 pounds of cargo. The range of the C-17 with this amount of cargo is 2,400 nautical miles. However, the C-17 can reach anywhere in the world non-stop using its air refueling capabilities. As the aircraft passes, please notice the wings, leading edge slats, and large power lift wing flaps. These devices literally change the shape of the C-17's wing, and they are key to its low final approach speed, enabling this aircraft to land and stop in short distances. As the aircraft passes, please notice the leading wedge slats and the large power lift wing flaps. The aircraft is now performing a go-around maneuver using maximum power to demonstrate its ability to depart an airport where enemy resistance is suspected. The C-17 will now maneuver to show its ability to fly at slow speeds and demonstrate its advanced aerodynamics in action. The aircraft is performing a series of steep bank turns to maneuver for a low-speed pass and circle over the airfield. And in case you're wondering how big it is, the wingspan tip to tip is about half the length of a football field. The tail is over 5 stories tall. Empty, the C-17 weighs almost 280,000 pounds. But with maximum cargo and fuel loaded, the gross weight raises to over 500,000 pounds. Notice the upturn in wingtips or winglets. These decrease aerodynamic drag and increase fuel economy. To give you a better idea of the aircraft's overall size, those winglets are 9 feet tall. The aircraft is extremely agile at both high and low speeds, making it easy to operate in any tactical situation, including the combat delivery capability of paratroopers or heavy equipment airdrop. The C-17 uses a quadruple redundant fly-by-wire system to run its flight controls. The fly-by-wire system means the aircraft's flight controls are electronically operated by inputs from the control sticks. There are 4 separate flight control computers, each of which can manage the entire system by itself. The computers continuously monitor the flight controls of each other. If there is any problem, they automatically work around the disabled system. In addition to these features, the C-17 still has mechanical backup. The aircraft is maneuvering to demonstrate a full flap approach to a simulated short field runway. This short field capability allows the C-17 Globemaster III to land at over 6,000 more airfields worldwide than currently available to the C-5 Galaxy or commercial wide-bodied aircraft. In fact, the C-17 has made short field landings in Bosnia, Albania, Iraq, Afghanistan, Haiti, El Salvador, and many other countries while boasting an impressive reliability rate. The C-17 you see today weighs almost 340,000 pounds. On final approach, its speed approximately is 120 miles an hour. Approaching the end of the runway, the crew is simulating arrival to an airfield where hostile forces are nearby. This approach tactic can also be used from a very high altitude to avoid enemy gunfire. The C-17 made its inaugural flight on September of 1991. Since then, the C-17 has set over 20 world records, including payload to altitude and time to climb records. Boeing delivered the first operational C-17 to Charleston Air Force Base in June of 1993. Now the crew will demonstrate the very short landing distance of the C-17 using only 1,500 feet. The aircraft is demonstrating the capability limited to a very few aircraft, the ability to routinely back up under its own power. Ground maneuverability is extremely important when space is limited for off-road operations on a day-to-day basis. All the maneuvers you've seen here today are representative of those flown by our operational air crews every day, as they provide the highly responsive and flexible aircraft capability for America. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's demonstration of the C-17 Globemaster III and just one of its unique capabilities. On behalf of the men and women of the United States Air Force, Air Mobility Command, and Charleston Air Force Base, we thank you for being with us today. We hope you've enjoyed this brief look at the C-17 Globemaster III, the United States Air Force's core airlifter and workhorse, providing rapid global mobility for America. Today